I fear though. I throw a hollow before I throw an elbow. I ain't fucking with them niggas if they weirdos. On my mama, it ain't nothing that I fear though. I throw a hollow before I throw an elbow. I ain't fucking with them niggas if they weirdos. On my mama, it ain't nothing that I fear though. I'm throwing hollows before I throw an elbow. Bitch, my niggas all strapped like some Velcro. I ain't fucking with them niggas if they weirdos. On my mama, it ain't nothing that I fear though. I'm throwing hollows before I throw an elbow. Bitch, my niggas all strapped like some Velcro.
Black way in the cut on some creep shit. I told him I was coming, but the pussy, he ain't peeped this. She can shoot first, cause I'm cold with this defense. Had a nigga froze, super stuck like some cement. Now peep it, 40 off the hip, let her rip and watch me tear some. And I slapped your sister, pussy Tim, while you ain't do nothing. Baby daddy, bitch, he up that stick, but he ain't stick none. Caught him in the club and let it rip him, bitch, I hit some. And if it's up, then it's stuck, bitch, I know about it. Cause the bullet in his head ain't gon' come about him. And the tube on his hip, that's a shit bag. I'm only speaking facts when you hear it, I hope you feel that. I'm a thug in these streets, and these streets ain't mine. And I can merch it on the gang, bitch, I'm about mine. Stepping on these niggas, cause I heard through the grapevine. R.I.P. today, when 3 days, bitches start trying.
I ain't fucking with them niggas if they weirdos. On my mama, it ain't nothing that I fear though. I'm throwing hollows before I throw an elbow. Bitch, my niggas all strapped like some Velcro. I ain't fucking with them niggas if they weirdos. On my mama, it ain't nothing that I fear though. I'm throwing hollows before I throw an elbow. Bitch, my niggas all strapped like some Velcro.
Niggas weird, I can feel the bad vibes. They don't wanna chill, cause they don't wanna die. Better call God if you wanna stay alive. Young stepper only 16 with a child. Nigga ain't in the field, they don't want smoke. I beat a nigga ass in, slap you with the pole. Fuck around with my brothers, you get hung by the rope. Fuck around with my brothers, we gon' throw your ass a show. Bitch, we strapped like some baby shoes. I feed a nigga shells like some baby food. I just copped the elbow and I just broke it down. I just bought 100 round, another man down. Yeah, another casket closed. Nigga dodged the record till he slapped it to that pole. I don't trust bitches, I kill a sneaky hoe. I don't trust niggas, so don't try to be the bro. Yeah.